The Quran as it explains itself.
قرآن अपनी तफसीर आप करता है. قرآن अपनी तफसीर आप करता है.
القرآن الكريم كما يفسر نفسه.
Now is related to you the creation of Adam or mankind, in allegorical terms, when God decided to create humans who would be given free will, and supremacy on earth. Your Lord announced his plan to the angels, I am about to place on earth a new creation that will have supremacy over it. They exclaimed, will you place on it such creation as will cause disorder therein and shed blood? Whereas we strive to manifest your glory in the universe. He answered, I know what you do not know. God had programmed the angels God's forces in nature with specific tasks that express the divine will. He created humans through the process of evolution and granted them the ability to make free choices. They may choose to follow divine guidance or deviate from it. See verse 33:72. The angels were not even remotely aware of any will other than God's. The Quran metaphorically portrays the immense responsibility given to humans in the story of Adam. Free will may be likened to the breathing into humans from the divine energy. The angels wondered if a clash of wills would not result in chaos and bloody disorder on earth, while the angelic role had always been that of striving to manifest the impeccable glory of their Lord and absolute submission to his commands. See verses 15:28-29, 16:49-50. Tasbih from Sabah. Equals swim with long strides. Equals strive hard. Equals apply oneself to a mission. And Aaron Harun did tasbih, strove hard against Pharaoh. See verse 20:33. Human evolution. See verses 6:2, 7:189, 15:26-27, 22:5, 23:12-13, 25:54, 32:7-9, 35:11, 37:11, 71:17. Al-Baqarah 231. And God endowed mankind with the capacity to attain knowledge. Then he showed the angels certain things and said to them, tell me if you have the capacity of learning about these, if you are truthful and better qualified to have supremacy on the planet Earth. Alamala Adam Alisma. Equals he endowed humankind with the capacity to attain knowledge. Al-Baqarah 232. They humbly said, glorified are you, high above all. We only know what you have taught us, the tasks assigned to us. Most certainly, you are all-knower, all-wise. Al-Baqarah 233. Then he said, O Adam, show them some of your capacity to attain knowledge. And when Adam informed them of his ability to learn, he said to the angels, did I not tell you that I know the secrets of the highs and the lows, and I know what is manifested by your efforts and the potentials that lie dormant within you? Page number 13.
God is the one who has created countless cosmic bodies, and like them many of the kind of earth. His commands are delivered through all of them so that you may learn that God has the ultimate decisive power over everything, and that God encompasses and controls all with the knowledge of sciences.